We are making a 20-minute chili, everybody. These are all the ingredients. Here we go. The Super Bowl is right around the corner.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Mama's Soul Kitchen and Cooking with Granny. Yes, everybody. I just want to say today we're doing this right here, a quick 20-minute chili by Fair Creek Country Kitchen, everybody. We're not being sponsored, but we just want to see how it is. We already did our cheese broccoli soup that we did on live. Everybody saw that about a month ago or so. Okay, so you can check on our YouTube for that. Okay, so we're gonna do the darn good chili mix, everybody. Look at that. Don't that look delicious? Now it does have rice in here. I just want to let you guys know that up front. We didn't know it had rice in it, but it's okay. We'll eat it. It's all good. Some people don't want rice. Some people don't, whatever. That's why we do like a separate pot of rice on the side if they decide. So sorry about that. Our phone had too much full storage on it, so we're gonna try to make this quick. Okay, we got to do photo dumps, video dumps, all this stuff because we've been doing a lot of videos here. Okay, so anyway, so some people like rice, some people don't like rice, so we have that all separate if they choose that. But you can see all the recipes on our YouTube channel for our own homemade chili in the crock pot chili called crock pot chilies, everybody. Okay, now we have some additional things to add here. They said if you want to pizzazz it up, you can add like some tomato paste. We have some tomato paste, we have some diced tomatoes, and some chili powder right here. And we're adding in some extra onion and some red bell pepper and green bell peppers. We love to put that inside of our chilies when we do our homemade chilies, okay? So we're gonna do a little bit of differentness here, okay? Now, we already have our meat ready. The meat is ready to go. It's over here. And then we also have our hot boiling water here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the chili pack here. So the instructions said to add it into your ground beef, this pack here, but what we're going to do is we're going to add it to the boiling water. This is how we always do it. It asks for 7 cups of boiling water. So we're going to add this on in there, all the nice flavor goodies from this pack here. Then we're going to add in the other stuff. Now what we're going to do first, we're going to stir it up like with a whisk real quick just to make sure it's all separated. Okay. It says it has pinto beans, black beans, red beans, so we're really excited about that. So we're going to add in our hamburger meat here. Now we're just going to add in half of this hamburger meat. They said add in 2 pounds of ground beef, but we have about 3 pounds here. So we're going to do about 1.5 pounds in here because we're going to be using this for other stuff as well. So we're going to do that. Now we're going to add in the diced tomatoes here. Should have got a bigger pot. I think we should do that. But anyway, it is what it is. And we're going to add in the paste right here. Alright, you guys. So we went on and switched it to a bigger pot. As you see right here, it's starting to nicely boil again. Okay, here we go. We're going to add in some extra stuff here. Some onion powder because we like to have flavor all through our foods here at Mama's Soul Kitchen. So we're going to add in just a little bit extra because y'all know how it is. We got to do it the soul food way, right? So we're adding some Lawry's, not much. We're adding some garlic salt. Lawry's, garlic salt. We're not being sponsored, but hey, Lawry's, you guys need to hit us up in the DMs. You know what I'm saying? Yes, Now we're going to add in a little bit of garlic. We love garlic in our stuff, everybody. So we're going to jazz it on up with some garlic. And this is minced garlic, everybody. Okay, not chopped garlic, but minced garlic. Like it come out a little bit faster than that, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and add some chili powder. So we want some chili powder, add a little kick up in there. And we're going to go ahead and whisk that on up and let it turn on down to simmer for 25 minutes, everybody, okay? And we're going to make sure it's all nicely done. Oh, look at all that. Nice, goody. Look at that. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let this cook for 25 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, now, we forgot to add in our vegetables, everybody. Yes, we're going to have onions and our bell pepper, green bell pepper, and red bell pepper. We're going to put that in there as well. And it's got another 20 minutes to go, so that's what we're going to do. Let that all saute together and get it all sopped up nice. Be right back.
All right, so after about 10 minutes, we're going to go ahead and stir it again because we don't want it to stick to the bottom because remember it has rice, everybody. Sometimes rice, things that come in packages like that intends to stick to the bottom, so we're just going to keep on looking. But look how nice and hard it looks. It's not even done yet. All right, now we're up to the 20 minute mark. Okay, we could actually let it cook for an extra 5-10 minutes. Seemed like the beans weren't completely done, but when it's done, you just pour it into a nice cup of soup right here. And this is perfect for like the Super Bowl. If you want to do miniature bowls or just do a crock pot, you could do that as well. But we also like to Shelly Knox for following us on our YouTube channel and subscribing. Welcome to Granny's Yellow Table. See you guys soon.